Hi, and welcome to 108 Thunder Road here in Buffalo, Missouri. This home is on a great country setting north of Fair Grove and Buffalo School District. It's on approximately 3 acres. The home has approximately 1,850 square feet. It's a large home. We've gone in and redone a lot, done new floors, ceilings, walls, new central heat and air. Lots of things have been redone in this home. It's got 3 detached car garages. It has a barn that you have access to in case you want a horse. There's a chicken house, some extra storage. Just a great country setting here. We're going ahead and look in the screened in porch here. This is a great place to just sit outside and enjoy the country area. This is the main living area. There you see a propane area. That is for great emergency heat or to take the chill off in this room. And this is a dining room or office, whichever you prefer to use. Here is the bedroom on the main floor. Here is our kitchen. It's got a large kitchen area. You could use this as an eat-in kitchen, or again, you could use the formal dining room instead of an office or second living area, even here on this first floor. It's got new countertops, new backsplash. Here is the laundry room. It's got lots of space there. There's your washer dryer hookup. We're going to go ahead and come back through here. Again, that could be used as a second living area if you wanted on this floor. Here is the bedroom, second bedroom here on this floor. Here is the main bathroom on the main floor. You can see here. It accesses the laundry room as well if you want to, or through the main house through here. And we'll go ahead and go on upstairs and let you see the upstairs. Here you will find the second living room area upstairs right here. It's a nice size area. And there's a bathroom here on this floor as well. And this bathroom has a walk-in shower right here. And then the largest bedroom is upstairs here. You can see that it's got a couple of different closets here. Take a look out the front. Again, this is a nice large bedroom here. Take a look out the back. And there you have 108 Thunder Road in Buffalo, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.